Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Tinytask versus Autohotkey. So if you don't know what these two are, Tinytask is a simple Windows automation tool that records and plays mouse and keyboard actions. And Autohotkey on the other hand, or AHK, is a powerful scripting language for automating almost anything on Windows. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Tinytask here. So Tinytask's pros is that it is very easy to use, it is lightweight, and there is no coding needed. Now, the cons of it is that it is limited to simple tasks, and there is no logic or conditions. So this is just a very basic automation tool. And Autohotkey, on the other hand, the pros and cons of it is that it is extremely flexible and powerful. It supports logic, loops, and hotkeys. Now, the downside of it, or the cons of it, is that it requires learning and scripting, and it has a more complex setup. So, which one is right for you? You should choose Tinytask for basic automation with no coding, and choose Autohotkey for advanced, customizable automation with full control. And that is basically it. That is the difference between Tinytask and Autohotkey. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.